Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today I brought you to Le Marche region, one of our country's greatest hidden gems, embracing the Adriatic Sea together with beautiful hilltop towns and stunning landscapes. It extends for over 10,000 kilometers along the Adriatic coast, with Tuscany and Umbria to the west, Emilia-Romagna to the north, and Abruzzo and Lazio to the south. The great peculiarity of this region is that you can go from an altitude of over 2,000 meters to sea level in just over an hour. The property we are about to visit today is a spectacular modern villa within its oasis of peace and a stunning sea view. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa is in Pesaro, a fascinating coastal city situated in the south of Le Marche region. Famous for being a UNESCO Creative City of Music, it offers a territory already extremely rich in historic sites and environmental landscape treasures. Pesaro is a city with unique characteristics that make it a place of great tourist interest. On one hand, there is the ancient city of Roman origins with its prestigious historical center. On the other, it is one of the most famous seaside resorts of the Adriatic. The villa is located on a convenient position. We are 800 meters away to the closest services, 15 minutes to Pesaro and Fano, while in terms of airports, Ancona is only 50 minutes away for shorter European flights, while we get to Bologna in less than 2 hours for international flights. One of the feelings that you get when you enter the gates of the villa is literally of entering an oasis. The garden is gently sloped towards the sea and the view opens in a spectacular way. The owners were telling me earlier how when they first saw this property, initially they were looking for something totally different. But in the moment they crossed the gate and they experienced this spectacular location, it was literally love at first sight. They restored the villa completely, adding modern high-tech features and working on the landscaping to highlight this sea view even further. The outdoor spaces begin on the upper part of the property with a large parking area, to then keep going and reach this beautifully manicured garden, laid on 3 main terraces that gently slope and reach the swimming pool. The swimming pool is doubtlessly one of the dreamiest spots of the property. When you sit by the poolside or you enjoy a refreshing swim, you remain fascinated by how the beautiful pool blends in perfectly with the sea and the sky. The swimming pool is 5 by 12 meters and heated. It is enriched by all of this beautiful garden and outdoor area all around, with a pergola right behind me to enjoy some shade. You have some sunbathing areas and on that corner a comfortable outdoor shower. The infinity edge of the pool, together with these beautiful hand-painted tiles from Sardinia, help it blend even further in an effortless way with the sea and the sky. Another beautiful spot is this spacious terrace. It is completely covered in wood boards and it is divided into 2 parts. We have the dining table on that side, shaded by this pergola right above. We are on the same level as the kitchen, so it's very comfortable to eat outside right here. On that other side, we find this central part made with basalt stone and a beautiful outdoor fire pit to make cozy evenings even more romantic. And on that other part, a large outdoor lounge area. Another detail I would like to highlight are these beautiful glass panels. They are both for safety, both here and by the poolside, but at the same time, by being made out of glass and see-through, they let this view be so infinity. Welcome inside the ground floor of the villa. We are on the same level with the terrace outdoors we've just seen, so by sliding open these windows, we have a seamless access to the outdoor spaces. It is full of natural light and is a large room, divided into two parts. This first part, which is a lounge area, very comfortable, spacious, but at the same time cozy. In the central area, we have a large fireplace working with wood and a TV on that side. On the floor, you can notice how there are these beautiful dark oak wood boards. Underneath, there is an underfloor heating and cooling system to regulate the temperature. Next, we find an office corner over here with a bench that slides out. We have a beautiful piano in a tail shape on that side for some enjoyable entertainment. And next, the bathroom that serves all of this floor. And here is the kitchen. It is nice and spacious with two working areas. There is this large island on that side with a gas part on the top. We have two ovens, lots of storage space. Storage keeps going also on all of these furnishings down here. And on the other part, we find two sinks with more storage on the bottom part. Behind this wall, we have a very comfortable room. It is a large pantry area with an extra fridge, extra storage, and a laundry space. We're now on the upper level. This as well can be considered a ground level if you enter the villa from the upper terrace on the outside through this door right here. As you come in, you have this spacious reception space, and from here you connect to most of the bedrooms. In total, the villa has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, laid on 3 levels with 433 square meters. Let's begin from these bedrooms right here. The first one is on that side, and I love how the wood boards change from the darker wood to a lighter color to give even more light to the space. The bedroom is full of natural light and has sea views. Through a large door window, you access onto a beautiful terrace that lets you enjoy some sea breeze. Welcome to the primary bedroom. This bedroom has a huge ensuite bathroom right here. We begin with the bed space on that side. Here we find a darker wood color on the floor to make this room more intimate. On that side, I love how you have access to a private terrace, and if you want, it even has an independent access since it directly gets to the garden as well. Here, from this view, you also are able to enjoy some wonderful sunrises in the morning. And here is the spacious ensuite bathroom. It both has a large shower on that side, the toilet on that part over there, and in the middle a huge bathtub. We have the sink on this part, and in the end we access the spacious walk-in wardrobe of the primary bedroom. The floor keeps going. On this other side we find how the wood boards switch from darker to lighter colors to give more natural light. On this part we have a large bathroom that is shared by these two bedrooms right here. The first bedroom on that side, which as well accesses onto the terrace that goes all around the house, is a single bed bedroom, or as well it can be used as an office space. And here we are in the last bedroom of this floor. This is among my favorites because it has this corner position, so you have windows on two sides and gives lots of natural light to this bedroom. There is a wardrobe inside the wall on that side, the bed over here, and through the windows you can access onto the terrace to overlook the sea. Here we have the top floor. Have a look at how spacious this room is and full of natural light. We have views of the sea all around. On two sides we access to large terraces to enjoy some sun and the sea views even more. This floor is currently used as a guest space. In fact, it has an independent access through the staircase and guests have full privacy. Up here we find a small kitchen on a corner, making this like a cozy apartment. There is the bedroom through this door over here and the bathroom on that side. An idea, which I think could be suitable as well, is to make this floor as a single master bedroom. So a huge bedroom with the bed in the central part that has access to the terraces and beautiful natural light. You also have a kitchen corner for a quick coffee. On the bathroom and current bedroom, you can turn one into a very spacious walk-in wardrobe and the other one in the bathroom. That could be an option if one wants a very large master bedroom. And here we are closing today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this villa just as much as I did, and I hope that through this video I made you realize how incredible this property is. Because I think until you visit it and you experience this atmosphere, this view and this beautiful breeze, it's hard to understand. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about it and if you liked it, and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!